Okay, so this video, I've been inspired to make this video. I have a really good friend that has asked about how to make a bone broth, because this is a great recommendation for anyone to boost their health, but anyone who's also experiencing a health crisis. And so bone broth, I'm gonna be making it today with the bones from a rotisserie chicken. You can make it from any bones. It doesn't have to be rotisserie. You can grab bones. Now you can buy them at your butcher. But this is the rotisserie chicken. I just put on some gloves and I dug in, and you can see that I left, chicken on it, and that's okay. The chicken's gonna give it, flavor, but these are all bones in here. And then I like a little more garlic and onions. You can use one medium or large size onion, peel it, cut it in half. I have 2 small ones, and then I also have a head of garlic. You can leave the skin on, but you just want to cut it in half so that it can just have a little more flavor of the garlic. I also add vegetables. Keep it simple. Celery and carrots, I just chopped them up. I used 4, but some recipes you can use 2 stalks of celery, 2 stalks of carrots. I used 4 of each. And black peppercorn. So I actually have the grinder, but I removed it because the whole corn is going to really boost the flavor. And you want to also add a few whole cloves. You can use 4 to 6. Now you're going to put it to a boil, and I use an electronic. It has multiple uses, but I mostly use it as a pressure cooker. But this is also, it's called a quick pot, but you can use it as a slow cooker. And you want to go ahead and put all the ingredients in. And for 1 rotisserie chicken, you're looking at about 6 to 8 cups of water. But the general idea is to cover all of the ingredients with the water. You want to bring them to a boil for 1 hour. After they are brought to the boil, that's when you want to put it on the lowest temperature possible, or you want to put it to the warm setting for 12 or up to 24 hours. I use the 24-hour option because you want to just let it simmer as long as possible to get the most out of it. So stay tuned for the next video showing you a few steps of the progress.